Did you know that after the age of 30, you start to lose as much as 3% to 5% of your muscle mass per decade? This natural decline not only affects our physical appearance, but also slows down our metabolism, impacting overall health. Decreased muscle fibers, reduced mitochondrial function, and a slower metabolism contribute to this process and can even lead to obesity-related diseases. Speeding up muscle growth can effectively counter these age-related changes. So how exactly can we combat this inevitable decline? Let's dive into the science of muscle growth and discover some surprising methods to enhance it. Muscle growth isn't just about lifting weights. It's a fascinating interplay of biology and nutrition. When we delve into the mechanics of building muscle, we're talking about a process known as hypertrophy. This is where muscle fibers undergo stress, think weightlifting or resistance training, and in response, they repair themselves to become larger and stronger. It's a remarkable natural adaptation to meet the demands placed on the body. But what's happening on a cellular level? Each muscle is made up of thousands of tiny fibers. When you exercise, some of these fibers develop small tears. This might sound alarming, but it's actually a good thing. These micro tears, when repaired, lead to muscle growth. The repair process requires a fleet of biological helpers, including a type of cell called satellite cells. These cells rush to the damaged site, fuse with the muscle fibers, and help them grow thicker and stronger. Another key player in muscle growth is the mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouses of the cells. They generate the energy that cells need to repair and grow. More intense training can increase the number of mitochondria, enhancing your muscle's ability to produce energy, thus supporting more vigorous workouts and quicker recovery. Protein intake is crucial in this equation. Proteins are the building blocks of muscle. After a workout, your body needs protein to kickstart the repair of damaged muscle fibers. Ensuring you have enough protein is essential for effective muscle repair and growth. Now that we've grasped the basics, calculating your necessary protein intake becomes our next crucial step. Ever wondered how much protein your body actually needs to maximize muscle growth? The right amount can make a significant difference in your muscle growth journey. Generally, if you're looking to build muscle, the rule of thumb is to consume approximately 1 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. For someone who's moderately active, aiming for the lower end of this range might suffice. But if you're vigorously training or lifting weights frequently, you'll want to lean towards the higher end. Multiply your weight in kilograms by the amount of protein needed per kilogram. For instance, a 70-kilogram individual aiming for high-intensity muscle building would need between 70 to 140 grams of protein daily. With your protein needs in hand, let's explore 4 dynamic ways to accelerate your muscle growth. Intermittent fasting is not just a trend, it's a scientifically backed method to boost muscle growth. Delving into the mechanism, intermittent fasting primarily works by optimizing hormone levels that play a critical role in building muscle. During fasting periods, there's a significant increase in human growth hormone levels, which are pivotal for muscle development and regeneration. Furthermore, fasting helps improve insulin sensitivity. When your body becomes more sensitive to insulin, it utilizes glucose and amino acids in your blood more effectively, directing these nutrients toward muscle repair and growth rather than storing them as fat. This process is crucial, especially in the context of a nourishing diet during eating periods. Balancing the fasting and eating phases is key. It's not about starving, rather, it's about strategic timing to eat and fast. This balance ensures that your body goes through cycles of repair and growth, making the most of both anabolic and catabolic states. While fasting periods recalibrate your body, let's add another muscle miracle to the mix. Creatinine and arginine may sound complex, but their benefits for your muscles are straightforward. Let's dive into how these 2 powerhouse supplements can supercharge your fitness journey. First up, creatinine. This natural compound produced by your body plays a pivotal role in energy production within muscles. Supplementing with creatinine can lead to noticeable improvements in your strength and endurance. It essentially helps your muscles produce more energy, especially during intense short bursts of activity. This means you can lift heavier and sprint faster, pushing your limits further each time. Moving on to arginine, this amino acid is a bit of a multitasker. It enhances the body's ability to synthesize protein, crucial for muscle repair and growth. Moreover, arginine is instrumental in increasing nitric oxide levels in the body. This expansion in nitric oxide improves blood flow, which means more nutrients and oxygen are delivered to your muscles, aiding in faster recovery and growth. Combining these supplements with the right diet can significantly amplify your results. But there's one more method to consider. Cold therapy might send shivers down your spine, but it's warming up in the fitness community for good reasons. Diving into icy waters or stepping into a cold shower might not sound very inviting, but these chilling practices could be your new best friends for muscle recovery and growth. Let's break down the science. When your body is exposed to cold, it reduces inflammation and swelling, which are common after intense workouts. This not only accelerates the recovery process, but also helps in soothing sore muscles, making it easier for you to get back to training sooner. Incorporating cold therapy into your routine can be as simple as taking a 3 to 5 minute cold shower after your workouts, or, if you're feeling more adventurous, trying whole body cryotherapy sessions, which expose you to extremely cold air for several minutes. These methods can significantly enhance your muscle recovery and contribute to faster muscle growth by reducing downtime between training sessions. With cold therapy rounding off our list, let's summarize how you can harness these methods for rapid muscle growth. Armed with these 4 powerful strategies, you're well on your way to speeding up your muscle growth. Let's take a quick moment to recap the dynamic methods discussed today. First, we explored intermittent fasting, a technique that not only aids in fat loss but also triggers hormonal responses favorable for muscle growth. Next up, creatinine, a compound known to improve strength, increase lean muscle mass, and help muscles recover more quickly during exercise. We then delved into arginine, an amino acid that boosts blood flow and in turn delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. This supports faster and more efficient growth. Lastly, we touched on cold therapy, an intriguing approach that reduces inflammation and accelerates muscle recovery, thereby allowing for more intense training sessions. As you embark on this journey, consider incorporating these strategies into your fitness regimen. Experiment to find what best suits your body and lifestyle. Remember, the key to enhanced muscle growth lies in consistency and dedication. Start today and see the transformation for yourself.